Hey everyone, so this will just be a quick tutorial on how to use Slack on your phone. I'm not going to go over the finer details just because that's what the other video is going to be for. This is, I guess, just a video on how to use all of the features if you're using Slack primarily on your mobile device. So let's just jump right into it. As you can see, we are currently in the general channel. So to navigate to the other channels, what you want to do is select this logo on the top left. So by doing that, you will bring up the navigation menu. When you come to the navigation menu, you can obviously scroll down and we can jump from channel to channel. And you'll have access to the regular channels here and direct messages. As you can see, if you do have a direct message, you will get a notification on that top left. And those messages can be accessed, at the top over here. So as you can see, Rad has sent me a direct message. On the top right is basically where you want to change your settings. So by clicking edit profile, we can change our name, you can add your display picture and your what I do. Now, if you want to start a thread, what you'll want to do is select the actual message. So just tap on that and you can start a thread immediately from there. If you wanted to do a reaction, you can see this logo right at the end of Nina's message, and you can add reaction from one of the emoticons from there. To go from there, I guess the only other feature that you can use on the Slack mobile is if you tap and hold. This is just more of your message options, so editing your messages, deleting your messages, or so forth and so forth. You can obviously star a message, and that kind of saves it for further or for future uses. And that pretty much wraps up how to use Slack on your phone. Again, the finer details will be in the other Slack tutorial. This was more how to use those features on your mobile device. So if you have any questions, please do ask, and we'll be able to point you in the right direction. Thanks, guys.